Don't trust them.
Oh, wind, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? A wish perhaps that winter will not come this year, or if it does, that it will be mercifully short. But winter does come, every year without fail, for all of us. There are times when winter is downright treacherous, especially when driving. Armed with a few tips and a lot of caution, you can make winter driving safe.
I'm toast. Okay, oh, they're coming. Leave me alone!
Don't go there. Don't go there.
Burning ring of fire, going down, 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 and the flames went.
What the fuck do we do now? That was not an elk. Where's that coming from?
You want to turn in the direction that the rear of the car is sliding. And again, avoid quick motions to the throttle or brake until you've regained traction. While winter driving can be hazardous,